Hey everyone, Unlock Therapy here. Have you ever picked up your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch only to be met with that frustrating iPhone locked to owner message? It's officially known as the iCloud activation lock, and it can be a real headache if you're not sure how to get past it. Today, I'm going to show you ways to bypass the activation lock on your Apple devices completely legally and safely. You might have heard about sketchy services or expensive software promising to fix this issue, but trust me, there's a way better, safer, and free alternative that's quicker and guaranteed to work. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get your Apple device up and running smoothly without any hassle. Just a quick disclaimer, this info is for responsible use only. It's for people who own their devices and just forgot their access info. We don't support or encourage breaking the law like bypassing security on stolen devices. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. All right, let's dive right into the services that claim to help bypass the activation lock on your Apple device. Here are some more alternative ways to legally remove iCloud activation lock. This is for those who own their devices and just forgot their access info. Let's explore some options that are both safe and effective. When you're stuck with an iPhone locked to the owner, it can feel super frustrating, but believe it or not, there are legal ways to get past this hurdle. One of the first steps you should take is contacting Apple support. If you have proof of purchase, Apple can often help you unlock your device. This method is often overlooked, but it's straightforward and reliable. It's always worth trying this route before anything else. Next, if you have access to the Apple ID and password that were used to set up the device, you can remove the activation lock by going to iCloud.com. Just log in, select Find My iPhone, and remove the device from your account. This method is simple, but it requires you to have access to the original credentials. For those who want a more direct approach, there are reputable unlocking services out there. Tools like Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, Lock to Owner, and iUnlock app have been known to provide reliable solutions. They offer user-friendly interfaces and guarantee results, making them a go-to option. Another overlooked method is taking your device to an Apple store. Explain your situation and provide proof of purchase. The staff usually have the tools necessary to help you out. This method is legit and adheres to Apple's policies. Remember, these methods are here to help people who genuinely need to regain access to their devices. Respect the law and avoid anything that sounds too good to be true because it probably is. These unlock services only work in first world countries. That's all for now. See you in the next one. For more information, you can visit our website unlocktherapy.net and subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos.